Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a vintage Homelite 1130G. That's the 6.1 cubic inch 100cc motor. Exhaust cable running up to a 60-inch bar. This one features an original Homelite branded bar with a Homelite serial number on it. You can see it there. 32-inch hard nose. Really nice original Homelite chainsaw. Starts and runs good. We'll look at some of the features of it. Kill switch right here, easy to get at. It does work. Got a pump oiler right here. Choke on the other side. Look at those original green handlebars. Aren't those in great shape? Wrap handlebars. Large falling spike. And the original muffler cover is in real good shape. Usually those are all busted up, but that one's very clean. And it's got the original flap. Just a very clean Homelite. Good running old saw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.